welcome back with this amazing panel. I'm so
Wow.
excited. Oh my God, what a panel we have. And did you guys follow the previous round?
I did. I didn't get it from the beginning, but I watched the last 15 minutes or so.
Oh, that's awesome.
Same here,
Amirji,
same.
you've already, I remember you've, in the previous, in some tournament in Maharashtra Inauguration League also, you had played against Vishy Anand. I can't remember who won that match. I'm pretty sure it was not Amir, but this is your rematch. How are you feeling
This is
today?
my chance. This is my chance.
So excited. So many amazing talented people here. Guys, what is the strategy? Let's start with Arijit ji. What is your strategy today?
I am going to learn new games today because last time I played, I was a child. So, and it's an honor to play against Vishy Anand. Come on, like, what else do you want?
Absolutely. And when you were talking before, we just went live, you were mentioning that this is the first time that all of you are playing live online. You played chess, of course, otherwise, but
Yeah.
online, it's your first time.
No, I've played online earlier.
Okay.
Once or twice. Actually, I don't really play online, but once or twice.
And yeah, Amir, now everybody in the chess world knows that you just love chess. You play it on set. We've all read the stories. We've all heard it. We know, and the Maharashtra Chess League, you played against Anand. So not surprised at all that you were also following the first segment of this. Have you made some special preparation for today?
No, unfortunately, I haven't because I'm shooting tomorrow since the lockdown has opened. So we have a 2-3 days stint of shooting. So I've been busy preparing for that. So unfortunately, I have not prepared at all. Actually, there is a game I've been playing very regularly. I don't know whether you've heard of this game, Vishy. It's called Settlers of Catan. Have you heard of this? It's a strategy game, but there's some amount of chance in it. So I've been playing that.
Were you playing this when we met in a few years back? I think you mentioned it. We were supposed to take you up. I was supposed to take you up, and I haven't.
Yeah. No, so now it's online, so you can go to Catan Universe, and then we can actually play. We'll do that. I'll
okay, deal.
That's awesome.
So I've not been playing any chess, as you can see. And
you know, yeah, go on,
my
Amir.
strategy is just to try and last as long as I can.
Anand, you know what happened last time? We had our panelists say that just about 1 hour ago, and then they were just so impressive on the board.
Yeah. What can I say? You can't trust them.
Yeah.
We all know that this is an exhibition match, and Vishy is being really kind to us. And
Yeah,
he's
of
allowing
course.
us to play and allowing us to last for as long as he decides he lets us last.
You know, guys, Ananya ji used to be a very strong state level player. And I have this intel, Ananya ji, that you've been training with a grandmaster. Can you tell us about that?
No. Where did you where did you get this? No, so I used to play about like 9 years ago when I was 15, 16. It was a lot of fun. I haven't played since then, so it's really an honor to play against Vishy sir. I'm looking forward to it. Yeah, I hope I can survive maybe until I castle, if we castle, hopefully. First 15, 20 moves. So please go a little bit easy on me. I'm actually really nervous. Yeah, no, I'm looking forward to it. It's an honor to be here, and it's for a great cause. So thank you.
Yeah, Ananya, we're so excited. Now, we know that you used to play quite regularly when you were 15, 16. You played in the state championship. And we've seen this happen all around, that once you get into chess, it's just so addictive and people just can't leave it. Did that happen to you as well, even though you moved on from playing tournaments and were not playing actively, but did you still stay in touch with the game?
You know, unfortunately, I think after I got into music, I've become so obsessed with it that I sort of just left all my other hobbies aside. But I think, you know, after this game, after doing the puzzle battles and stuff on chess.com, I genuinely feel like, oh, it's really like helping my mind, you know, stay focused and just helping in life in general. So I'm probably going to start playing again. My mom says I should play, so I'm probably going to listen to her. Moms know best.
That's true. Samay, what better way to kickstart playing again than a game against Vishy himself?
Yeah. And we were talking about mom, so I have a special small request from Amir ji. You know, my mom is watching this, and she never does this, but she has messaged me. Can you please give a shout out to my mom, Sweetie Raina? She's watching this. She'll be super happy.
स्वीटी जी, आप मेरे लिए प्रार्थना करिए कि मैं मतलब इज्जत रह जाए मेरी बस विशी के साथ.
Okay, mommy, please send Google Pay after this. All right. And Manuji, how are you feeling today? What is going on in your head today? Like you're not as strong as just player is the intel I have, but what are you feeling today?
Very, very nervous. I used to play chess as a kid, but I haven't played for like many, many years. And Vishiji, it is a huge honor to be just like meeting you, leave aside playing against you. When I was growing up, I always looked up to you. Like you were one of the heroes that everybody used to talk about. My parents, relatives saying, "Kabhi kisi din you should become like Vishwanath Anand." So it's a huge privilege to be just here. Super excited. And hugely nervous when Prachura called me and said, Ki, Manu, don't worry, you'll have 30 minutes. So I was thinking in my mind, 30 minutes is too long. Even if I last for 5 minutes, maybe it would be a huge achievement. So I just want to enjoy.
That's up to you.
Let's
take
see.
your time.
मैं तो बहुत time लेने वाला हूँ भाई.
Correct.
ज़्यादा strategy अरिजीत जी एक move करके बस बैठे हुए हैं.
हाँ मैं बैठा रहूँगा मैं देखूँगा दूसरों को. I'm gonna do
so
that.
much fun. And Manoj, your kids are like huge fans of Vishy Anand. Am I right?
Yes, yeah. I have a 7-year-old son, and he plays chess. In fact, he plays better than me.
Wow.
And he's a huge fan. So when I told him that I'm doing this match and who is going to be there, Vishy sir, he was more excited than I was. Like he's a huge fan of yours.
Is he around? He's
around. Let me just call him.
And his name is Jordan, right? His name is Jordan after Michael Jordan. You've named after him.
Yes, his name is Jordan after Michael Jordan.
Wow.
So this is Jordan. Jordan, come say hi.
Hello, Jordan.
Oh, hello. Wow.
Anand, because Jordan is such a big fan, what would you want to say to him right now? Can you see him?
Manuji, Jordan is not visible. Can he come towards the right? Because we have cut in a square.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, we got him.
Okay.
Hi, Jordan.
Hello.
Are you going to be helping your dad?
Yes.
Oh,
Wow.
it's not the answer I was hoping for. But do you play a lot?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, great.
Wonderful.
Awesome.
And especially because Manu just mentioned that Jordan is a better player than Manu.
That is true, actually.
So guys, we'll be starting this match right after this 10 seconds break. We'll be taking a break so that the OBS is set up. So all the best to all the players over here. You'll be getting signed copies of Anand's book, Mind Master. And it'll be a very, very exciting thing to have. And guys, can you please ask everybody to donate because all the money is going for great cause.
Totally. Yeah.
So guys, please keep donating whoever is watching this. We'll be right back.
Let's start from the start. And Arijit starting with the queen's pawn opening, which is basically moving your pawn in front of the queen. So these are called all queen's pawn openings. And he develops his knight after e3. So bishop f4. Samay, what's the name of this opening? Do you know what this is called?
Yes, it's called Queen's Pawn Opening, Accelerated London System.
Well done.
No, he got on the Samay, you're cheating, man.
Come on, man.
You can see
why
that.
are you not happy for your brother?
Where do you see this stuff? Oh, I see where you see it.
Also,
Okay.
there's a echo on your end. But that's...
What do I do, guys?
I have no idea here. I am customer care. I am not as a client care.
Should I come on Discord?
So, yeah, probably you should come on Discord and mute yourself on Google Meet and on
Okay.
Zoom as well. Meanwhile, Anand continuing to develop, Arijit continuing to develop. I like this move bishop b4 check, but it does fall into this move c3, defending the check, attacking the bishop. Oh my god.
Oh, Arijit.
I think
has played
Arijit is
knight
already
h5.
lost. This position is already lost.
Chat, this move is not a good idea. The bishop was attacked. He had to fall back because now Anand picks up a piece. And the point is that ye bishop is pawn se defended it. So you only trade up and now Anand is a full piece up. He's a full piece up and Samay, not a great start for Arijit. He is going to try and create some counter, but Abhi, I think this one might be the first game that might
His
finish.
knight
But
has nowhere to go. His knight is saying, "Sun raha hai na tu, ro raha hu main." Okay, sorry about this one. Sorry. Okay, let's go next.
Tanya, did you see that tactic here where
one?
Vishy could have taken bishop at 7 on
at this
Arijit's board?
moment,
Vishy could have taken bishop before playing knight c3. Bishop at 7.
Look at
There's a
this.
beautiful tactic.
Prachara, you're pointing this out. Tell us
Great
the line.
gift.
Bishop h7. Yes, Samay,
Bishop
your
at 7,
favorite
king
gift.
at 7, and then knight g5. And I think followed by queen h5 would have been devastating.
And if the king goes back, then queen h5, and there are all these ideas of checkmate. And if not back, king g6, also very dangerous because white can go queen g4 here, putting a lot of pressure on the black king as well. So instead of that, he decided to actually go knight c3, but it's still winning because unke paas ek extra piece hai. Let's take a look at what team and with Manu Jain and Jordan Jain, what are they up to?
Okay. I can
Let's start from the beginning, sir.
Yep. Okay. C4. Oh, English. Oh, Arijit Singh.
No, I can attest to it. I think he's a positional player. And I think he's going to play knight f5 now. That's my prediction.
Yeah. Oh, Arijit Singh's position is looking very bad. His queen on F on his queen is on literally कि तुम ही हो अब हो बस तुम ही हो is the queen on D4 because nothing else is developed here.
Yeah, with the queen, exactly. It's like you're saying, it's saying bas tum hi ho, but also it's telling the other pieces agar tum saath ho because none of them are, with the queen.
Yeah, if that rook would be together with the queen, they would probably do something on the open E file. But
all right, so knight d5 played, attacking the queen Samay, attacking knight c7, Prachura knight f6 coming. This looks like Vishy is in the driving seat here and very difficult position for Arijit.
Yeah,
I think this would be the first game that would get over.
Yeah, this is going to be over very soon. Chahu main ya na.
A close fight between these two games.
Yeah.
All right, let's take a look at Arijit's game now.
God.
And this is not looking good. So still, Anand is not rushing with picking up that exchange. He's going to do it. He's basically saying कि अभी मैं कभी भी मार सकता हूँ इनमें से एक rook because it's still under fork. So no rush with that. And I think this we all can agree is Anand's game and it should end soon.
Yeah. I mean, what is like? Is there any hope for Arijit in this position at all? Is there? No.
Only if Vishy makes a huge blunder.
Yeah, I think what happened in the last segment, it not only is he very too strong to make a blunder, but in general, I think he is going for blood on every board in this one.
Yeah, look, सारे pieces आ रहे हैं आगे, knight आ गया है, queen आ गई है, मतलब it's like gone.
Domination.
But yeah,
tough fight, tough game for Arijit to create something. Let's see Manu's position.
I just have to. Arijit did just show a charity fundraiser just 2-3 days back, and he just came onto this. It's so sweet of him to do this after doing such a big fundraiser. Hats off to him.
Yeah.
He's coming to back-to-back fundraisers. That's really good.
That's so cool. And guys, please donate. Please subscribe to this channel. There'll be more events here. Okay, in Arijit Singh's position, we've moved to Manuji's game.
Arijit was, Samay, because Arijit's position, I think we saw it. We saw that he's losing big material here. And Anand knight e5, very nice move, creating a threat on this bishop on d7. Bahut sare pieces hanging hai, and it's going to be a tough one for Arijit.
Yeah.
And
absolutely.
The story is the same. Arijit is down to 7 seconds. उन्हें move चलनी है.
Oh, okay. So we have the first result. First result of the day.
कैसे बताए?
का टाइम आ गया, आप लोग समझा करो.
अच्छा, मेरा तो टाइम ही गया. नहीं, very good.
चलो.
Oh wow! And so Amir also decides to resign in this position.
अच्छा, mistakes too बता रहा है. कौन से mistake?
He's analyzing his game, Samay.
First mistake was to resign, sir.
नहीं हुआ.
Isn't it amazing how Amir wants to actually analyze the game immediately after finishing it?
Absolutely,
sir. And guys, as we're talking about this, Ananya is still fighting with 2 minutes on a clock against Vishy.
Wow. How is the game going? How is Arijit's game going?
Arijit's sir की game तो चली गई.
अच्छा. And what about अपना
Manu's game also done.
Because this is an amazing moment. Amir, you have to see this position. What happened? You will love this because at the end.
Tanya, can you?
Because I don't know where to check. So
everybody move to Zoom. Mute on Google Meet.
1 second.
Tanya, we'll go to Zoom.
We go to Zoom.
You're on mute.
I'm not mute.
Hello and welcome back. Yeah, guys, what a fight, Ananya. You fought till the end.
Oh my God. Anand, Queen E8, what a brilliant move at the end, yeah?
Yeah, maybe I should. I mean, it's too good not to be rewarded, but
I missed that last. I mean, I didn't see any of the game. So what happened in the end? Tell me, Ananya.
Amir, you're
can
gonna
you
love
see
it.
the live board?
Yeah, let's see the live board.
Yeah, just go on the stream, you'll see the live board.
Yeah.
How to do that?
Yeah, exactly. How to do that?
YouTube ka link bhej do. Samir, can you send the link?
I don't know. Maybe
मैं
I
आपको
can
link ही
share
भेज
my
देता हूँ.
screen or someone can share. Can you share your screen, Tanya?
Yeah, I'll just share.
I can. I'm watching it on that this thing on the YouTube now.
Is it done?
मैंने Zoom chat पे रखा है. Tanya, if you share the screen, तो उनका OBS निरंजन जी कह रहे हैं पूरा मैच हो जाएगा. So I've just sent Amir ji, I've sent on Zoom chat. जो भी आपके साथ जो आपको हेल्प कर रहे हैं, they can just click on that link and you'll see the game.
Wait, is the live over?
No, we are still live.
We're still
We're live, Anand.
we're live and we have to show this moment. Yeah, this Queen E8, it was mind blowing. We were watching it and I mean, just amazing.
Guys, how do I? Because I've gone into chess.com, but it says start up to start playing. It's free or something.
आप बस login कर लो वहाँ पे top left पे login होगा.
Oh, login.
Okay, I have also.
Arijit sir.
हाँ जी.
How was the experience? क्या किया आपने ये?
It was very, very good, man. बहुत मजा आ रहा था. मैं तो देख रहा था कि कैसे how I get trapped. I was waiting for that.
Yeah, well, you didn't pay attention for a second because I'm attacking your bishop, and you could actually go back with your bishop to d6.
Yeah.
And that's a normal position.
I think it's about the flow. I don't think I have that much of patience to totally, be into the game. I lost it there, I guess.
Arijit, you still did really good, huh? That was pretty good.
Yeah. I tried. It was fun. It was really,
Manu
really
was also fighting, but then towards the end, Vishy sir just stopped those 2 pawns from promoting, and there was no more hope. Meanwhile, Amirji, have you figured out how to see the game? And everybody else, I have sent a link.
Now I can.
I don't know how to see the game.
Way to see the matches.
Zoom chat पे मैंने एक link भेजा है. आप उस पे click कर दोगे.
Chess.com, this live 1733174212.
Yes.
This one. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Clicking on that.
The video of and use my toilet.
I mean, I can share my screen.
Sure,
No,
yeah.
I can't.
Yeah,
Okay. Now
the
something
Zoom
has opened.
also-
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Now I can see. Yes.
Okay. So tell me about it.
So here, she puts her queen on pre.
She puts her queen. Where did she put it? Right on.
Here, on e8.
8. Okay. She puts it there. Then.
And if I capture,
Nice one. Yeah. So how do I come back to Zoom? Yeah. Okay. Got it. That is nice. Yeah. Really nice. Yeah, Ananya. I wish I
Yeah.
could play the game. I'll probably catch it later on.
Yeah, actually, I'll have to see all the games after this is done.
It'll be fun. It'll be fun. But I made a mess of it. Yeah. Very soon in the game.
yeah, no, I thought I should play some line where actually you have to know a lot of theory in this line. So you were unlucky in your selection. You have to know, you have to know exactly how to get compensation for that pawn.
Yeah. Actually, I was, I should have put my last pawn. What do you call it? I'm not familiar with the ABCD. The last pawn, I should have moved it up. So your knight couldn't have moved up.
Yeah, D6, sir. Are you talking about D6?
Yeah, I would have preferred to put my pawn up.
Yeah.
Wouldn't that have been safer?
Instead of, at which moment?
Instead of knight of 6. Instead of knight of 6.
Instead of knight of 6, yes, you can do d6.
Yeah, I should have done that last pawn up and then put the knight.
Yeah.
Niranjan, can we have the board as well?
One of these days, I'm going to try and get some chess lessons here because I've never really learned with it, So I don't really know openings well. My grandmother taught me, as I told you. So I play just with my native intelligence and no real training. But one day I will.
I call my mom.
Once you make a movie as a chess player, I think you will do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, he'll get into the role and that's it.
Yeah, and then he will do it.
Yeah, guys.
How wonderful to play with you, Vishy. It was such a lovely experience playing with you always and seeing you.
Yeah,
so nice of you to agree with all of us here.
It was wonderful.
Sir was very kind to us. he allowed us to play for at least 15
Yeah, 100%. No doubt about it.
There were some nice tactics in your game.
You're
Manu,
telling
can I'll just, I don't know, can you allow me to share my screen? Then I can just show them what I'm talking about.
yeah, I'd like to see that.
Who's the host?
Samay, I'm not sure if on Zoom. But
Oh,
Anand, I can
okay.
show it. I can show it to the audience. If you can just tell me the game and the move number. And
Yeah. So Manu's game.
yeah.
Bandwidth.
Oh,
What I'm looking here is basically there is a microsecond delay in the live thing.
In the
So I'm
live.
trying to figure out, trying to match.
Yeah.
oh my God. There's so many good comments, and everyone's donated so much money, guys. Please keep donating. Amir, so there's a lot of people asking in the chat. Now I can't, hide anymore. So many people are asking this question. Can I ask you this question?
Yeah. What is the question?
Question is, let's say if there's an amazing biopic about Vishy Anand, would you take the lead role?
Is that a question? That's one of the easiest questions to answer.
That's awesome.
It would be not only an honor and pleasure to play Vishy, but it would be highly exciting to get into his mind, because when I'm playing a character and I try to understand the person's mind. And Vishy being a real person, I would obviously spend a lot of time with him to understand his mind and how his mind works. Then I would understand from his wife and his family how his mind works. And then hopefully I will surprise Vishy when I play him on screen. if and when that happens, I would look forward to that.
And I promise I won't put you in a situation where you have to gain weight for your role. I'll be very disciplined till after the movie. So,
Oh man, it's so much fun.
Nice.
All right, guys, is there anything else you'd like to tell before we wind up the stream? Because it has been such a fun stream and such a fun panel, guys.
No, I would like to say something. I'm saying that why don't we do this more often? Yeah, I mean, see, I just like to play chess, so I'm saying, I know Vishy is a busy person. We won't be able to play with him again and again. But Ananya, you, me, all of us can play once in a while. It'll be nice.
Sir, please check out YouTube channel Samay Raina, doing chess since 1 year, 700,000 subscribers.
Amir sir, we'll try to make it happen, sir.
Yeah, I can get your contacts and all of that, and maybe we can just have a game someday, Arijit. Yeah, Ananya.
Yeah. I can always accompany.
Know you as well, so we can play. Prachura, you have to give me some training, because I've always wanted to have a trainer here.
Absolutely, sir. It would be my honor.
Yeah.
Prachuraji, if you are busy, Amir sir, whenever you have time, please check out. No, not Samay Raina this time. Sagar Shah. He's one of the finest coaches. I think Prachura will agree.
No, there is one person who I watch his videos and I really like listening to him.
Who is it?
I've been trying to get his number. Yeah, his name is Advani. What?
Agar maybe.
Agadmeter.
Deepan sir?
Agadmeter. Just show me your WhatsApp, YouTube.
Arey, chess talk. Oh, chess talk. Yes.
Advani. What's his
Arey,
name?
I'll give you his number, sir.
What is his name?
I will WhatsApp it to you. You give me your number.
When I was in LA.
Samay is getting carried away.
Yeah, it's.
Ananya ji, you were saying something. So sorry.
No, I was just saying that I wanted to brush up my skills a little bit and I couldn't do it by myself. So my coach in LA, Sako, he's really good. He in like 3-4 days, just quickly went through openings, just some tactics. It was a lot of fun. So yeah, big shout out to him.
You want chess.com?
See, now Ananya ji revealed.
And he's a pretty strong player, no? Ananya, he's like 2,500 we hear. Around 2,500 rated.
That's amazing.
Wow.
But I think he was able to look at the board from my eyes and see what I was acting, and I think that I've not had that in a chess coach before, and I haven't coached in ages, so it was nice.
Yeah, so the guy's name is Jitendra Advani.
Yeah.
Right.
So I want to talk to him and ask him to train me. I like his style.
He'll be so happy. He'll be so happy right now. Oh my God.
I've been trying to get his number here.
I'll get it I'll get it to you, sir.
That will be great. That will be great.
Yes, sir.
Jitendra bhai, if you're listening, remember long ago we had streamed together. Just saying. Anyway.
In fact, I spoke to Dhyani on the email, a couple of weeks ago, like a month ago, and I asked her, I said, can you get me Jitendra Advani's number? And she did try to actually, but then I lost touch.
Amazing.
So what a wonderful game, yeah. You know, my grandmother taught me this game, Vishy, when I was 5 or 6 years old, and since then I've been playing and just enjoying it. Yeah.
And I will take you up on this, Catan. I should do that.
Oh yeah, you guys must try it. Yeah,
What is
an app
this?
called Catan Universe is what the app is called. So you download the app, and then you can play the different games on it, and it's really amazing. I love this game.
We can do these tandem games because there is a thing called chess boxing where you box and then you play chess and then you box and play chess. Unfortunately, I can't play a boxer because we won't get past the third move. But I think we can do Catan chess. Maybe that's one move here or something.
Wow.
So
So many new
definitely-
avenues, guys, from the stream, and so much money raised, guys. Please do spread the word and keep donating. The links will still be open. We can feed so many underprivileged children, man, and such fun, such fun.
So guys, how do we? I can tell Threek to also get in touch with you guys and help in donating money. So I'd like to do that as well. I'll tell. Pratik.
Yeah, exactly. So I think we'll have the link.
Yeah.
You guys are sending us the link, right?
Niranjan ji, can you send the link in the Zoom chat?
On the chat itself. Amir, you mentioned that you learned how to play chess when you were just 5 or 6 years old, and it was your grandmom who taught you.
Yeah.
After that, did you get any formal training, or did you ever play a tournament? How did it go from there?
No, so what happened is I never got any training. I just played with my grandma, my mom, my uncles, etc. Kids and all that. I kept playing, and then I played. The only tournament I've played in my life is I was in NM college, and in NM college we had the junior college chess tournament, like just internal college tournament. So like whatever, 2,000 kids or whatever. So I won that in the 11th and the 12th.
Oh, so you were like the school champion.
That was the only tournament I ever played in my life. And then I've never played before or after, and I've never been trained. So I'm looking forward to that. I mean, the basics, I understand that the number of limited squares you have, you want to try and control the center and try and develop your pieces so that they come in use, they get more powerful as they get to the center, and so wo sab to common sense hai. You don't need to read a book for
you keep saying that you haven't been trained, but it didn't come across like that.
I've played a lot.
training करी है.
I have not got to train ever, so I want to.
And I think also because right after the game you wanted to analyze it, so I think that's also something that's helped you improve a lot.
I want to know where I made my first error.
And immediately after you wanted to check it out.
That's
I
how
think
you
he
become
already knew.
yes, sir.
Yeah,
I mean, he wanted to just
But how wonderful, yeah. So Vishy, when you're in Bombay next, come over here. We'll have a game live here.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Then it'll be much more. There will be opportunities to distract. I guess on live chess. This is kind of a silent game. I wish we had connected.
I don't know what we'll have to do to distract Vishy.
Did you try a
Everything.
strategy? You had like a full-on game strat that you were going to sing a song during the game.
हाँ वो उससे start हो गया तो मैं एकदम हड़बड़ाहट में
Start जैसे ही हो गया तो समझ में नहीं आया सब लोग घुस गए direct.
There used to be this. I remember I was a big Bjorn Borg fan when he was playing at the peak of his tennis. So at that time, all of the other players because he was almost unbeatable, So all the other players had done this joke, where they said that how do we beat him? So one guy had said, tie his what do you call it, sweatband, his headband on his feet or something. So these are the ways that you can try and beat him. Wow. I think with Vishy also we'll have to do something like that.
Desperate times call for desperate measures.
You can have a blindfold match against Vishy Anand. That would be very fun to watch.
Oh no, not good enough. Not good enough.
No, you won't be blindfolded. He will be
Oh, no, I know
blindfolded.
he'll be blindfolded, but not good enough.
Okay.
He वो आंख बंद करके खेलेगा भाई. He'll eventually the whole board.
आंख और कान दोनों, like two senses. I think we can.
अपना गेम खेल देंगे वो भी काफी हो जाएगा. You understand?
Yeah. I mean, Vishy is such a very, very strong player, such a legend, and we had such amazing games today. In the first panel also, we never expected that there'll be such amazing players.
Sajid played quite well.
Sajid ji, yes.
Yeah, not bad.
Super well.
Even Sandeep ji for that matter.
Yeah.
I think Sajid, Sudeep, and Nikhil played really well.
And Nikhil and Sudeep, all three of them played really well.
Yeah.
Manu, how was your experience?
Amazing. For me, it was a big win. The fact that I didn't lose in 5 minutes. मुझे लगा था 5 मिनट के अंदर मुझे छोड़ के जाना पड़ेगा.
No. So tell us whether your son helped you or not. So tell us whether your son helped you or not.
he did help in the beginning. उसके बाद मैंने इतनी ज़्यादा गड़बड़े करी, he got frustrated. उसने बोला पापा का कुछ नहीं हो सकता. He's a give up case. Then he walked away. He was like really furious. तुम कर क्या रहे हो? But it was fun. Vishiji, thank you so much for taking out time and thanks for doing this. Really, really great fun.
Thanks,
It's always-
everyone.
It was really amazing, guys. Thank you so much.
It was
Thank you so
really, really
much.
amazing. Thank you.
Thank you.
You know, it's my mom's birthday today, so I'm going to go up and just spend some time with her. And
Happy birthday.
Sure.
I will wish her. Yeah, I will wish her.
Yes, yes, happy birthday to her.
It was always on my bucket list to play against you, Vishy sir. And today that got ticked off. So for me, that's the biggest reward, and I got to play against you. And it was amazing to meet all of you. And I hope we can, for the love of chess, we can continue playing together.
Yeah, we will.
Yeah. Forward.
We'll catch up. Thank you, guys.
Sure,
Thank
thank
you.
you, thank you,
Thank
Vishnu.
Thank you.
All
This
of
is
you.
amazing.
Any
Thank you
closing
very much.
thoughts?
This is
Arijit?
amazing.
Any closing thoughts, Arijit? Everybody said something.
Closing thoughts is, big hug to Vishy Anand.
ऐसे ऐसे नहीं चलेगा. नहीं ऐसे नहीं चलेगा.
कैसे
एक दो
चलेगा?
लाइन गा के सुना भाई. विष्णु को गुड बाय ऐसे नहीं चलेगा तू यार. एक दो लाइन गा के सुना यार.
What do you want me to sing?
वो तो मेरा फेवरेट तो तुझे पता ही है.
कौन सा?
है दिल है मुश्किल.
Wow.
Oh, that's a good one.
Okay. Give me something. छोटा guitar take कुछ. Let me just take my guitar.
Leave everything and just hear this.
Guitar ले.
Leave everything and just hear this.
Vishy, he's amazing. He's such an amazing singer.
I know.
Such an amazing singer. I've seen him live so many times, and each time he blows my mind. तो मैं सब कुछ छोड़ के मैं एकदम स्टेज के आगे बैठ जाता हूँ. ये हमको चांस दोबारा मिले कब मिले अपन सुनते हैं भाई.
Let's see.
By the way, happy birthday to your mom. Please.
Thank you.
अरिजीत सर, बस एक रिक्वेस्ट, इतना भी अच्छा मत गा देना कि कॉपीराइट स्ट्राइक लग जाए आपके.
नहीं, मैं 30 seconds गाऊंगा.
30 seconds.
30 seconds.
Oh, this is amazing.
Wow.
तू सफर मेरा
हाँ.
है तू ही मेरी मंजिल तेरे बिना गुजारा है दिल है मुश्किल मुझे आजमाती है तेरी कम नो कॉपीराइट
मैं तो गा सकता हूँ ना, कोई कॉपीराइट नहीं मेरे लिए.
बिना गुजारा है दिल मुश्किल.
Superb, yeah. Superb. Thanks, Arijit.
Oh my God.
Oh, that was brilliant.
मजा आ गया. So all right, guys. With that, we have come to an end of this epic charity stream. Thank you so much, Vishy sir, for being so cool to do this. And guys, bye. Take care. Please stay on with us. Actually, we are going to come back. So we are saying bye to all of these amazing people in the panel. Bye, guys. Please
Bye.
take care.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Bye, everyone.
Tanya and I will be right back after this short commercial.